Hello everyone and welcome back to another video with me, Alyssa J. Today I am doing a vlog of my weekend because I plan on packaging 1,000 slimes, so I thought it would be pretty interesting. I just finished up at a bookstore called Moonbeam Books in Toronto and it was so much fun. I will insert footage here and pictures of the event. Now I think we are going to go home, and today is Saturday, so I'm going to start packaging slime today and tomorrow. So of course I could not go to a bookstore without buying some books, so I figured I'd do a mini little haul in here. So I bought 3 different books. The first one I got was Sight Witch by Susan Dennard. The next one is Renegades by Marissa Meyer, I think. And then Fangirl by Rainbow Rowell. And I'm very excited to read all these. I've been meaning to get them and this was the perfect chance to grab them. Of course we saw chapters, so now we have to stop in. So I just signed about 10 or 12 or something copies of the book at that chapters, and I inserted a little clip there, but I only got like 1 or 2 books because then I started talking and stuff and I just got distracted, so yeah. But I also bought books, of course, because how can I not go to chapters, and like how can I not go to any bookstore and not buy any books, because that would be impossible. So let me show you what I got. So first off I have, if I can ever get this out of the bag, I have The Defiant by Leslie Livingston, and I read her first one. I picked it up like some random time at the airport and I was obsessed with it, but it had just come out and I have to wait so long for this book, but finally I got it. And then next I have Children of Blood and Bone, and yeah, it's by Tommy and I can't pronounce names, guys, I'm sorry. And so it's, yeah, Children of Blood and Bone. I've heard really great things about this, so I knew I had to read it for myself. Why do I keep buying books and I literally have no time to read them, but like, it's not gonna stop me from getting them and hoping to read them. And last but not least, I got Batman by Marie Lu because I just read Wonder Woman and it was really good, and this is the whole same series thing and it looks kind of shorter, so hopefully I can get through it quickly. Also, when we were at the cash, I couldn't not get this because there was like a deal, and you know I can't turn down a deal. But I got these socks at Chapters. I know, weird, why would you buy socks at a bookstore? But I did. And they're pastel and they're adorable. Look at this. It's so cute. How could I say no? There was this or there was a pack of grays, but you know I had to get these pastel ones. Like the socks I'm wearing right now or like have bees on it. Here, I'll show you. But like I love cute socks and I couldn't say no to this. Hello everybody, it is Monday. I am just showing the boxes because I am a hot mess right now because it's been very busy. So I've been showing clips from Saturday and Sunday, and I didn't show all of the packaging because it would have taken a lot of time, and my phone and my dad's phone ran out of space. So yeah, I showed as much as I could. But I'm just gonna go around and show you all of the boxes that we have filled with slime. So in this first one here, I have 100 confetti slimes. And then I just have this paper here covering the, address and stuff, all that. And then here in this box, number 2, I have 100 cotton candy. And then in box number 3, I have 59 gold and 41 confetti. And then in box number 4, I have 84 confetti. I think that's 4, yes, 84 confetti. And in box number 5, I have 84 gold. Number 6, I have 100 cotton candy. Number 7, I have 100 gold. Number 8, I have 79 cotton candy and 5 confetti. Number 9, I have 112 confetti. Number 10, I have 34 confetti. And number 11, I have 100 confetti. So these are all of the boxes of slime. So here are all of the bottles of glue that I used. Many bottles, and then these are some more slimes that are just in some yogurt containers, but yeah. And I use that foaming hand soap as well. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this little vlog of me making 1,000 slimes, plus these as well. So a little more than 1,000, just packaging them up and getting ready. And I might vlog when I go to the actual event where I am all these slimes will be, but I'm not sure. So until then, thank you all so much for watching. Keep creating, and I will see you all next time. Bye.